always want to know if you're getting letters from the IRS. If you're getting correspondence and they're trying to collect money, then the urgency is much higher, and you need to act quickly because they're going to want to have all the back returns filed. If you're not getting correspondence from the IRS, then that means that you are in charge and you can take action and get it all put together and tied up in a bundle, send it all at once, and it will be taken care of. The IRS is chaotic and slow, and it can take a long time to process returns. But once we have them in the system, you're off the hook. We'll get you going forward correctly now and work on the back stuff, and it is not the end of the world. Millions of people are behind on their taxes. They don't want you in jail. They're not going to take you away. You don't need to be afraid of them. You just need to communicate with them, and we can help. It is no big deal. Easy peasy. There is no reason to panic. There's no reason to be ashamed. You are not the first person. You are not the last person that has been behind with the IRS. And it happens exactly the way it happened to you. Well, first year, you get behind. You never get it done. And then they get to the next year, and there's always a reason. But you've got to make the commitment to get it behind you and get current. And when you make that commitment, then we can take action and we can help you. You need to find the last return you filed. One thing you can do to determine what has been filed is go to irs.gov and set up an account and log in, and you can see what they have on record, what they think you owe them, and you can see what has been filed and what wasn't. Gather all your bank statements and credit card statements since the last return was filed. Collect all W-2s, 1099s, and other income documentation for the years in question. Get help. There's always people that know how to do these things that can do it better than you. You're good at what you do. You know what you do. If you are behind on your taxes, there is no need to panic. There's no reason to be ashamed. There is no reason to be embarrassed. And anyone who makes you feel that way should not be hired by you, because you are hiring support and help. The IRS is not scary. You just need to talk to them, and we can help you with that. And you need to find someone that you can talk to comfortably and happily and responsibly, and let them do what they do with the IRS so that you get the help you need. Once you get the returns filed, it's going to take the IRS a while to process them. Once the IRS has processed those returns, we can get an installment agreement set up. It is no big deal. Easy peasy. There is no reason to panic. There's no reason to be ashamed. You are not the first person. You are not the last person that has been behind with the IRS. What I find is that people feel an enormous sense of relief, like a heavy burden has been lifted off their shoulders, and they can sleep better at night, not worrying about it, not thinking about it. It's the kind of thing that's always there in the back of your mind. And so if you can clear up your mind to focus on the good things in the world, you're going to be happier, you're going to be more satisfied, and you're going to feel relief. So Smashing Numbers is a new generation CPA firm that offers small business consulting, coaching. We do bookkeeping, we do accounting, and of course we do taxes. And we work virtually with clients all over the United States. So I want to say that you can have fun creating a profitable business that pays you first. You need to know what to do with the money that is coming in, even if you're feeling like you don't have enough. You need to know how to confidently make financial decisions. And you need to know how to pay the least in taxes and not have a rude awakening when your tax bill comes around in March. And we're going to talk about the next few steps to actually creating the business that you want to live.